Hi guys, it's me, Alexis, and today I'm going to teach you how to make small slime out of a glue stick. It can be Elmer's or whatever type of brand you want. Alright? So yeah, just use this glue stick. But the slime will turn out pretty small, but it's really stretchy. And it's perfect for making when you're bored at school. My hands are a little sticky from the last one I just made. But yeah, it's perfect for making when you're bored at school. So here's how you make it. First, obviously open up your glue stick. Then you can swoop up some glue. You can get that much. It doesn't have to be that much. That's what I would suggest. Then you use your two fingers and just keep tapping. Not really tapping, but pretend you're pinching someone, because you're probably wondering, how will this make slime? Well, the grease from your hands, it helps activate the slime. And the more you play with this, it'll turn into slime, and it's really fun to make. But it is really sticky, but again, it'll turn into that. But you just keep doing this until it is less purple, and it'll be thicker, and it'll start coming off of your hand. So I'm gonna come back once it's a little bit more done. Alright? So yeah. Hello again, I'm back. So as you can see, it is a little more thick. It's not purple at all. And it's starting to come off my hands. You can see that. I'm pretty sure you can. But yeah, you can see it's coming off. So that means it's almost done. Again, it'll turn into that. But you just keep doing that, and it will be fun. And the more slime you make, you can add on to your other slimes and make one big one, which is really fun. I made one a long time ago like that, but I lost it. But in this case, this is really fun. And like I said again, when you're bored at school, you can make this. All you need is a glue stick. A good glue stick. Perfect. And you can see how I scooped up some glue. I didn't use real slime, obviously. Real slime isn't this sticky, but you'll most definitely have to wash your hands when you're done with this, because look at that. But it's really satisfying to go like that. So yeah. And sometimes you might have to add a little bit more glue. I don't really need some, but if you do need it, I'll show you what to do. So you just stop doing that, you separate your fingers, you can use whatever finger you want, and scoop a little bit up. Not that though. See, there's a little purple. Then you just mix it in really well. But this will make the process a little longer, so I'll have to pause the video again until small mixed up. So sorry. Alright, hello again for the third time. So I just finished like mixing up more. So once it's like thick like that, this one's a lot bigger than the other one. You can tell, look at that size difference. Yeah, but like once it's like thick, it'll be like that. There'll be a lot of like excess pieces from the slime, so you're gonna have to like use your other hand to like roll it off. Like, just like roll it, or you can like stick it off. You gotta get all the pieces off. You can make your slime bigger, and there's less time needing to wash your hands. Yeah, and obviously you'll have more slime. But yeah, you're gonna have to get all the pieces off from your finger, which takes a little while. But yeah, which this is almost done. Pretty much done. But whatever color like glue you use, it'll always come out a different color. Like depends what type you use. If your slime's really purple, it'll turn out gray. And if it's like a really light purple, which is mine, it will turn out like white. Like a beige white. So yeah, it is pretty much all off my fingers. But yeah, it'll be like a shiny white. But look at how big that is compared to this. This is my one I made before this, and this is mine after. But let's do the stretch chest. See how stretchy that is. Now, if you made a lot, you can add these together. Yay! Mix them up really well. Might not mix very well because they already made. But you are most definitely gonna have to add a little bit more glue so it will make this stick together, which you can just put it on the glue stick and roll it like that, and then again how we were doing before, sticking it like that. This will make the process longer only if you mix up the slimes. But look at this gorgeousness. See? Alright. So, yeah. And then that's like pretty much good enough. But the more and more slime you make, and if you add it together, you'll have to get a little bit more glue to make it stick together. Plus, it'll make it bigger. It honestly will. But yeah, it's really fun to make if you're bored, like in class, or if you're just bored in general. But yeah, this is it done. That's it all mixed together. Now look at that size. Yeah, it's a little bit messy to make, but that is how you make wonderful slime with just a glue stick and your fingers. Amazing, right? Now, thank you for watching. Bye! And make sure you subscribe and like, hit that notification bell. Now, bye!